Here's a little snow in the LA mountains in a distance. And then when I picked up Rachel from school, that's my granddaughter, she said that she had some snow in the schoolyard. Wow. So this is a little preview of what you'll find inside. This is another Friday with Friends. We're so happy to have you today. Please be sure to hit that notification bell. This is going to be happening on Friday. This is just a preview. This is not the video. You're just watching a little preview of what's to come. So look inside because you'll find a secret way to get some Girl Scout cookies. Okay, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. Hit the notification bell. See you Friday. Friday with Friends. We'd love to have you. Look below in my description.